Okay, welcome everyone. Today we are going to talk about how to fix this red screen of death. Okay, when you encounter this, you know that you have broken one or two guidelines of Google. Here it says dangerous site. Attackers on the site you tried visiting might try to trick you into installing software or revealing things like your password and thereabout. So we need to allow Google to index this website. I've done it before, but I don't know what happened. And okay, someone took out the code, I think. Now we are going to fix it, straight up. What we need to do is I will open up this web browser. This is Chrome actually. So I will just type in Google Search Console. Okay, then hit enter. This very first one here, click on it, allow it to load up. Now click on start now. Okay, allow it to load up. Yeah, it's loading up. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm having a bad network here. Okay, now you have you can either do this by domain or using this. I love using this second option here. I will just have to copy and paste in the domain, the website name. So I'll simply come here, copy everything here, go back here, paste it here. All right, then once you click on continue, you allow it to verify what you just fed to the system. So now the next thing is just to download this. Click on download, download it. Now you have the code, you've downloaded it. So you have to go back to your cPanel and upload this. Okay, now read up here. To stay verified, don't remove the file even after verification succeeds. Okay, so we're going to log into the cPanel. We have logged in. Let me just get it up. I'm logged in already. Okay, so this is where I want the code. All right, this is the one I uploaded before, but I'm going to take it out and generate another one and put it in here again. So all you have to do is just click on upload. Once you click on this upload, then you upload. Let me delete this one first. Click on upload. Then here you select file. This is the file. Then click on open. Okay, now it is uploaded. Let me refresh. All right, let me go down. Where is it? Yeah, this is it. Okay, here we have it. All right, now you have to come back to this and click on verify. Okay, it will take a moment. All right, ownership verified. Now we have verified this. So it is going to take maybe, what is happening here? Okay, network. It's going to take some time for this to reflect. Once that happens, then this must have been fixed by Google. Okay, remember after you've done that, you have to come here, come to this issue. Now let's see full reports. Just click on it. Let's see full report. One issue detected. Now this is the issue. So let's request for review. Now we have done the other fixes. We've downloaded the code and we've uploaded it. Now click on all issue has been resolved. Okay, now I will simply say I have resolved all issues. I want to add that this and that this website is built for educational purposes. That's all. Now I'll hit submit. Okay, now we'll have to let Google do its thing within the next 24 hours. I expect this red red screen of death to disappear. All right, thank you.